What's up, everybody? All right, hold on. The stream is starting off really shitty. Let me turn off real-time rendering. Maybe the stream quality will get better. Okay. Hey, everybody, welcome back to another episode of Unreal Engine 4 solo game development, where we're working with Project Hero inside of Unreal Engine 4, obviously, where we're using C++, the gameplay ability system, blueprints, and all that good stuff to create an action-adventure game from scratch. So last time we were working with it, we were working on like a level streaming kind of thing, where when we play an editor, we're running around and everything, and then we get to the pause menu, I believe with J, and we spawn a level, and it spawns up here. You can barely see it, but that's a good thing, I guess, but it's all the way up here. Maybe I can move my camera a little faster. So we have this other level that spawns. We have this like kind of campsite where we have this character customization thing that I want to have. So right now there's a couple issues. First off, it doesn't unload, I don't think. So let me repossess. Does it unload? I don't remember where we left off. Okay, it does unload, so that's good. So we got that taken care of. But there is the whole issue of these warnings. So I'll access none. So this whole thing, like set global time dilation, setting it back for this hero character. So I think we gotta do this in code, because we're doing everything else in code, but we're loading the actual level. It sucks working on this project because I only do it like once a week, so I always forget where we are. So let's see what we're doing. So here's the character preview UI. So native destruct, and then we're doing native construct. Is there a native construct? No. Is there a add called parent? Will this do the C++ first? I wonder. We'll know if we're able to like move our dude around. So we press J, and no, that doesn't work. Okay, is this like not valid? Yeah. So this is okay. I say end level map. Oh, okay. So I think I gotta do something like this. That should be fine. But we have to... Yeah, here's the construct. So we basically gotta do this time dilation thing, I think, in code. Might be better. I also want to move it out. Let me just make a thing, task. Move level, preview, loading to new manager class, I guess. I have a lot of to do, but we'll try our best to get everything going. Okay. So let's open up our UI. I believe it's in the character preview. I also want to see why shaders are always loading. I guess it's in the inventory main. U4 shaders are always compiling. Maybe there's an answer on the Unreal Answer Hub. Okay, so every time I go for all my foliage recompiles, I figured it out, guys. I went to the material editor for each of the affected materials and unchecked and then rechecked under the usage section. Use with static lighting. Interesting. Okay, maybe it's everything in my foliage. Let's go to foliage. So the actual foliage actor, show in content browser, we'll do that. Okay, so that's not the material. So I guess we do gotta go to the static mesh. All right, is there like a master material? Yeah. And then there's the, under the usage section, use with static, so unchecked and then rechecked static lighting and use, yeah. Okay. I guess maybe that's all we have to do. We'll see what happens. Well, it's compiling again. Alright, this is what we need to move to code, right? So... I know you guys can't really probably see this too well. So we set the global time dilation, so that's in gameplay statics from what I could tell. Do I have that included? No. Hashtag include gameplay statics. Alright, we have to look that up too. UE4, C++, include gameplay statics. Kismet gameplay statics. Okay, we found it. So NATO construct, right? So set global time dilation. I guess we can make a function for this. We'll probably want to make it private. Not gonna be U function, it's gonna be void. Toggle character preview time dilation. B enable. I think that's enough. Go to generate definition. Boom. So we gotta do what? Gameplay statics. Set global time dilation. We just get, all right, we're gonna have to do if, I guess we can do something like this. uworld get world and then if world oops world, and then the value right now is 0.0001 well, 1 like that. And then we gotta also do I guess we could say Float dilation value equals, I think it's B enable. So if it's true, so something like that should be kosher. Dilation value. Const, I guess. And then I guess I gotta get all of the player. So we definitely do this somewhere here. Well, not the player, the preview actor, the get all actors of class. Okay. Let me see, like, if and then custom time dilation equals dilation value. Definitely not dilation value. I guess I gotta just do const float character preview dilation equals B enable. And if it's enabled, it's 10,000. Otherwise, it's 1. So I'll call this world dilation value. This one's character dilation value. And then we can do on construct. Toggle character within the B, we'll say true. And then on native destruct. Let's see, false. Now we will disconnect this logic in blueprints. Okay. Now we'll just recompile this. What's it doing? So I'm still fixing some bugs with my character preview. Removing stuff to C++. So basically, I have a character preview, and how I want the character preview to work is like to have interesting sub-environments, so that if you are, for example, in the world, and in the world it's snowing, and then you check your preview environment, and you go into the menu, check your character preview. I want the character preview to be in a snowy environment. So what I'm thinking is to have small sublevels that are loaded in at some place, and you stream them in, and you view that character through I forget what it's called, but through a render target, and you can preview through that. So I'm trying to get it so that the character preview isn't paused while the world is paused, so you'll be able to rotate them and move them and everything like that. So the func turn does not evaluate function. What happened? Let me just compile again just to see the error message. Okay, that didn't help. Terminal build. Character preview actor. Alright, so I gotta do equals character preview dilation. It's not a function, it's just a thing. It's just a parameter or property, I should say. So let's see the damage on this bad boy. Because then eventually I want to refactor it out to like an own kind of like level manager thing, so that that will handle it for me instead of doing it within this UI. All right, so that definitely, the shader thing definitely worked. That thing I just did. So mesh paint, no. Foliage. Let's go back here. Tree bark, bark master. I am the bark master. Usage, recheck these. Let's resave. Then the Rock, Dwayne the Rock Johnson. Is there a rock master? Asset master. Page master. Usage. Alright, resave. We'll leave it at that. So now, in theory, I hope, we should be able to play. And then I press J. Oh, I crashed. Ugh. So character preview actor is null. Okay. So where are we going wrong? So maybe we need to do a call, maybe like a callback, like a function that says, okay, the level's loaded. And then we'll be able to say, okay, go do this. Okay, let's see. UE4 callback function. I know how we were definitely here before. Okay, Okay, so that gives me nothing. How can I, after loading a non-streaming level? Okay. All right, this Orpheusol I know has helped me plenty of times, so maybe he will help me here. Load stream level. That didn't help either. What is latent action info? Maybe I have to do it in latent action info? Does this give me any information? The function to execute. Let's look here. Okay, this looks promising. Honestly, again, I don't want to do this in my UI, but we will just do it now. I guess this is const. So that's what it's bitching about. Okay, so you want to say latent action, latent info. Callback target is this. Immediately wrong. Okay, because it's const. Okay, makes sense, I guess. Latent action info dot execution function equals. I guess I'll make another test function here. Void level loaded. I'll just do a UE log. Oh, why is it inline? I don't want it to be inline. I don't know why it's doing that. Scroll to the bottom. I don't want it to be static. UE log temp, warning, next, level loaded. And then we'll copy that. We won't do anything there because I know that was giving us problems. Let's go scroll back up. So level loaded. I don't know if I have to give it a UID, but we're gonna do it. Latent info dot UUID equals 1. I don't know what number to give it. Latent info dot linkage equals 0. I don't know what that parameter does either. All right. Let's see if that even works. Fingers crossed. So again, we're looking now for a thing in our output log. Sorry, I can't think today. Okay. Let's press, let's open up our output log. Press J. Could not find latent action, resume point level loaded. Okay, it must be blueprint callable. Okay. Should have kept reading. New function, blueprint callable. Let's try that again. Okay, let's try that again. J, level loaded. Awesome. All right, so we got the callback. So now what we should be able to do is call toggle that, and we'll just say true. And I guess we can also make a similar set of latent action info for when the level is unloaded. Boom, level unloaded, and then false. Then we call that. Then we gotta make the latent stuff. So we could take off the toggle here. And we also, I don't think we need it there. Level unloaded. Let's see. Ow. I think we got this. And then we gotta refactor and clean it up. Okay. Play. Hit J. World is paused except for him. Good. And now we, yeah, there we go. We can zoom in. And there we go. I like that. Honestly, we would have to touch up on our, our background and everything. But I think that looks cool. Then we're back, and then we're back. So I think that looks decent. It really just depends on my stream is getting shitty again every time I play an editor, huh? I don't like that. Oh well. There are some things that I want to change about this as well. Like I would like to have like some particles to be okay. But at least we got that working. So I guess we can call this good. So now I guess we can refactor this to its own kind of class to handle all this shit. So we're gonna do new C++ class. Wonder what recommendations there are here. UE4, what class should a level manager be? What base class should I put a manager in? Can it be a component? So let me look at game mode or game instance. So game mode. So I guess I can make a component. Let's see, what folder should I put this in? I'll call one called managers. Character preview. Level manager. Okay, hero. Preview level manager. Okay. We're doing alright. We're making plays. It's not gonna compile correctly, of course. Never does. But at least we have a foundation to work on. So now we can have the level manager do everything for us instead of doing it through the UI. Yep, yeah, no compilation failed, we're fine. Let's go into this level manager. So managers, yeah, this one's fine. This one just needs to properly include hero. Okay, we're all good, I believe. So let's see what we're doing in this UI. So we have this enum, so we're gonna definitely put this enum into this level manager. So we don't need that anymore. We need these two functions. Excuse me. Oof. Like. Okay. What else? This toggle. Okay, I don't know if we'll need a reference to this preview actor in here. I think we will. Okay. You gotta be careful with what we're doing with copy paste. Or cutting and pasting, I should say. Need this for sure. This is private. Okay. We need to include gameplay statics. We need to include probably the character. Oh, we already had gameplay stacks and twice. Ugh. Definitely don't need a tick component. Let's nuke that. We'll need to begin play, obviously. So we're doing that. So native construct. This is where we'll need to get a reference to our game, to our preview level manager. So we'll need to go into our game mode. And now we need to initialize the component on him. So I think we can remember how to add a component. One of these ways. Maybe it's not in player character, but an actual hero character. So ability system component, yeah, something like this. Oh, is this in public? Protected, okay. So we're gonna say what? New hero preview level manager. Okay. And then a character CBP, on construct. Do something like this, but we need a reference include, I should say. Include hero managers. Ah. So base. Now, is it actually you? Yeah. So what? Oh yeah, that's not the name. Preview level manager. Okay. So that's set up. Oh, did I spell manager wrong? I did. Whoops. Okay. All right. Yeah, let's get rid of this shit. Doesn't need a tick. What else? A hero character preview, so we need that class. Let's go to the preview UI, I think. Sorry, not here. Here. That should be okay. No, let's just close out of everything, right? Let's start over, in our thinking at least. So we go to UI, inventory, then I believe it's in the character preview. So I have all this stuff. So we do this in the preview manager, probably here. And then I wonder, does a component have anything besides like begin play that I can maybe use? Oh, that's a lot of shit. Okay, these are all parameters. Where are the juicy functions? New function is being destroyed. Handles replication of active state. Handles to be as needed. Maybe this. B has begun play. Has been initialized. Maybe initialized. So get owner is definitely what I want to use instead. We have a get world. Good. More properties. So activate, deactivate, set active, toggle active is active. Blah blah blah. Oh, excuse me. Simulation, get owner role. World private, blah blah blah. Initialize the component occurs at level startup or actor spawn. I guess begin play will be like our first thing. So let's do a begin play. So we gotta include our game mode because that's gonna be our owner. Hash include hero game mode base. So is it a hero game mode base? Game mode equals cast a hero game mode base. Get owner. No viable constructor. What's wrong here? Boom. And then say if game mode. Can I say like game mode get player? Player, let's see. Player state, number pawns. Okay, can I just say controller? Get instigator. Let's see. UE4 C++. Get player from game mode. Let's try to get this. Do I have to do like new gameplay statics? Get player character? Or do I have to say a hero player character? And we're gonna say player character equals new gameplay or do I have to do like this? Cat a hero player character maybe? Maybe this level manager should also have one for a hero player character. I don't know if I'm doing this right. We're just going with the punches, I suppose. Okay. So then on level, so that's level loaded. I guess we gotta make a new function. New function, we'll make it blueprint callable, but I don't think it needs to be void. Attempt load. Try to say like load preview level. And this takes what? An F name? So I guess we could just say F name. Level. Thanks, thanks for gifting, Sandra. Mad cool. Much appreciated. So generate definition. Then I guess it's in here. Or I could just say paying for these UE4 classes and subs. It's my pleasure. No need to pay. But it's appreciated. And then I guess we get to say what? Load preview level. Do I have to make this a pointer? Can I convert const? Okay, so I guess it doesn't have to really match it exactly. So const. Okay. Yeah, this refactor is hard to think about, honestly. I'm trying to wrap my mind around it. So maybe we, Okay, maybe we don't need to do that. Here. Do I have to? So E biome type. I put into this manager. Do I have to include hero managers? Does that resolve that? Okay. Where's the level map? Or maybe I should. Ugh. I'm all over the place. Let's do it like this. So native construct, whatever, blah blah blah. Like this native construct should just call like open level. So maybe I could do something like, so we don't need something like that. So where's this level map thing? So it's in the player character, right? So that loads the preview level. So now I should be able to do, I gotta include the game mode for sure. I don't think, do I need to include gameplay statics? Not eventually. So hash include blah blah. No, just the game mode. What's the thing? So hero. Excuse me. There we go. I do have 2 game modes, huh? Hope I'm using the right game mode as well. Because now I have the game mode, so here's the construct. So I should be able to do like a hero game mode base game mode equals. So like get game. So like you gameplay statics get game mode. Cast a hero game mode base. Boop, boop. Okay, so it needs the world. So can I just say view world equals, yeah, world? And if world okay, and then I could say what game mode okay, I think I need to get, okay, so it's a private parameter. No, where's my game mode? Yeah, it's protected, so I guess I can make a public function. Say u function. Oh, let's say blueprint callable, whatever. And then we'll say, so it's going to return a class u hero preview level manager. Get preview level manager. Return preview level manager. I don't know if that's gonna be valid. I guess I could do what, force inline. Down here I could do what? Get preview level manager. So do I have to include that too? Hash include hero manager, yeah, u hero preview level manager. Level manager equals okay. So if level manager load preview level. And then that should call that. So load preview level. So we're gonna have to get functions that will then tell us what biome we're in. But maybe that could be handled in the character or something. Shouldn't be a big deal to figure out. So that's load preview level. Now, let's do unload preview level, I suppose. Now, character UI. Do I need this current biome thing? Maybe I can make a new private thing. Private. Just make it pretty. Probably not gonna give it any parameters, but so const f name level name to load. We'll just give this I just say text. No? Okay. We'll just do something like that. And then where's level to load? Level name to load. So when we load, and then there's a diarrhea that in. So we definitely don't need to do that anymore. So we're already doing player character, right? In the begin playing. We'll say if that should be okay. Now toggle preview character dilation, we don't need to worry about. Let's do this. Gonna be kind of the opposite. Unload preview level. And then we're gonna say time dilation, something with time dilation, toggle preview true, because we're loading the preview level, so we want to toggle that. We want to make this false. Excuse me. Let's just put some logs in. Log temp, warning, text. Player character. It's valid. We'll do something like this as well. Level name pull load is valid. Okay. And let's just do this again here. Okay, so we just did a bunch of refactoring, and I can't guarantee that anything's gonna work. So let's compile. Let's just deal with whatever errors we're gonna deal with. I did have good news today. During our stand-up for the design, my lead announced my new title as being principal technical designer, so it's official. So good, exciting news there. Happy about that. Okay, so unrecognized enum type. Why? Okay, because this needs to be in the preview manager. Yeah. Hash include hero managers. There you go. Oh yeah, hats off to you. And I saw the thing pop up. Finally that GIF works. Much appreciated. Okay, preview level manager, const properties are not supported. Maybe not making it a U property? Yeah, finally the GIF works. Okay. Does not evaluate a function taking 0 arguments. Oh, it needs the world, right? World context. I guess I'll just do get world. What's wrong? Okay, player index 0. Guys, I am gonna just do single player for now. Okay. It compiles, it's alive. That's a good thing. So first, let's see. We could have just wasted a bunch of time by not really checking what game mode we're using. So maps, modes. So BP Hero game mode. Okay, it extends from Hero game mode base, so that's good. And we do have the preview level manager here. Thanks for the follow, Tethneath. I hope that's right. Much appreciated. Welcome. Thanks for dropping in. So we got the preview level manager. Has all this stuff. So far it's okay. So moment of truth. It crashes. So character preview actor is null. Okay, I know why. We call this at the executed function, so level loaded. Oh, we already do that. Okay, so we just unnecessarily made calls to that. Give them separate IDs, just to be safe. Oh, techniques. Woof. My bad. That's a big oof. Well, welcome nonetheless. How you doing? I'm so used to being in Europe and dealing with different languages that I can't assume that just the letter C is the K noise anymore. So that's why I was like, techniques. Okay, now I'm a little truth again. So J, all right. So it kind of works. And of course my stream quality goes to shit. Okay, so it breaks now when it's unloaded. So when it's unloaded, it might be too late. So I gotta do it. So I gotta do it when we unload. Yeah. It's all because of Serbian and also because of the Polish languages. Really did me dirty. So now I'm never going to be able to pronounce anything ever again. I'm going to have to take a shot in the dark on which one is being used currently. And since I am living in Poland, I can only assume people watching me currently are in Europe, or at least Eastern Europe. And yeah, sorry for the stream quality whenever I play an editor. It's kind of shitty. I don't understand, like, why it's having diarrhea every time, but whatever. So I press J, I press J again. All right. So we know it doesn't crash, so that's good. So now the issue is that my UI functions. So level name to load is valid, everything, no character preview data available. So that's probably why I can't move anything. So let's find this warning. Well, the only reason why I say that is because, you know, it's 8 o'clock for us, you know, people are still working, and usually people, well, I sometimes watch Twitch while I'm working, but you know, some people don't watch Twitch while they're working, and maybe some do. But that was just my assumption. You know, it's 8 o'clock near me, and that means it's what, like 2 or 1 o'clock in the afternoon in New York, and that means it's like 9 a.m. or something. In the like 9 or 10 in California. So it was just just an assumption. All right, so now pretty sure the warning is in here. So no character preview data available. We gotta find that didn't tell me anything. Let's try to find that. Yeah, New York City. Whoop whoop. I'm from Long Island originally, so well, my family and my hometown friends are still in New York. So represent Levittown, New York, the 11756 516, baby, represent. I sound like it because I'm American. Okay, so we gotta find where this character preview information. Right now I'm in Warsaw, Poland. I work with People Can Fly. I've been here for almost 3 years. Character move. Where is this? I should really start sticking. I know this somewhere. So UE4, C++, display function name in UE log. Well, I originally was working in Serbia. I worked with Virgin Studio at this place called Digital Arrow in Novi Sad. So I was there for a few years, and then I moved to Poland to work with People Can Fly. So from Novi Sad to Warsaw, not that far. Oh yeah, here we go. Calling function. So f-string u function? Or can I say something like this? Like, I don't think that's right. Thanks for the congratulations. Much appreciated. I don't think I can write u function like this. Or just the function. Can I? I guess I can. Let's see if it actually does it. So it's on unload. So let's look at our logs. So J and J. Okay, I can. Because we have this down here. I know you guys can't really see that. So I gotta see why no character. Where is it the no character preview data? That's where our problem is. So let's just add stuff like that going forward. That'll be good for our own debugging purposes. Yeah, my strong Long Island accent went away when I moved to Arizona when I went to college. After a few months or a year, people were making fun of the way I talked. So I had to force myself to get a more normal accent, I guess. But the accent comes out when I'm drunk or I'm yelling. Or at the same time, both. So I gotta find where this character preview data is. Well, like, here's the actual data, and here's the preview manager and stuff, but where is this log? I do not know. Character preview UI. So it's in here. There's no UE logs. Well, yeah, there's some. Move mouse, rotate character. Cannot reset character. So there's no character preview in here. Or is the character, is it because the character preview is not valid anymore? That could be why it is. Okay. So maybe in the level manager, I'll do something like, so I have a character preview actor. So maybe I could do a void get character preview actor. I don't want it to be inline like that. And then I can just do something like this. And then on load, preview level. So on level loaded, I could say, what, get character preview actor. This is my first time seeing this channel. Do you provide access to the source code? Just wondering, I'm a little lost here. So if you subscribe to my Patreon, you get access to the source code. Otherwise, no, unfortunately, sorry. So basically, what I'm trying to do here is try to figure out the best way to handle like a level loading manager, because I have this character preview and I want to have the character preview kind of show you where you are in the world in a kind of abstract way. So, you know, say the world has different biomes for like the forest, the snowy mountains, caves, or whatever. So basically when you go into this character preview UI, I want you to be shown in the character preview like in this kind of environment, in a special kind of unique environment. So that's what I'm kind of doing. I'm trying to make a level manager to handle it, because the prototype was all done in the UI widget, which obviously I don't want to do. I want to have some sort of manager handle it. So that's what I'm doing right now. Excuse me. So I think I can get rid of that. And now I should be able to make like a public function. U function blueprint callable, I suppose. It'll be a class. I'll call this find. Let's update the. Why is this complaining? I guess we'll find out in a moment. So load, find. Okay. Now I'll call this class. What is it? A hero. Something like that. Get character preview actor. And I guess this could be a force inline. And this will just return character preview actor. Now so I gotta do what? I guess when it's initialized, so native construct, I can do, so if level manager, I can do, so character preview actor equals level manager get Character preview actor. Maybe? Ugh. I'm so lost when I'm doing this refactoring. So let's just see if it compiles. Absolutely not. Fuck, what the hell happened? What? Why is it giving me errors in here? Let's just look at this again. So which one is it building? Alright, so character level manager. Oh. Somehow a bracket went missing. Interesting. Okay. Let's play. All right, so still not able to move or rotate our guy. So it's still no character preview data available. I gotta find where that is. Do UE log? No. So maybe it's in this main? No. It's not in the character preview. Maybe it's in... character creator, character preview actor. Okay. So that's null. But why? I don't know. Did something happen somehow? So character creator, no. Player character, preview character. Well, character preview data is there. Confusing times. Let me just put this in. Let me just confirm it's this function. Boom, 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 boom. Yeah, and I'm kind of like just winging where everything is. I'm not documenting anything. I wish I was. It's so hard. Tis be difficult. All right, so let's do this. J. Yeah, so A hero player character preview. But why? I'm not sure. Yeah, cannot reset character preview. Character preview actors null. Interesting. So why is it null? So let's clean up what we're looking at. So this is the character preview guide. This is the UI. So let's just put these next to each other. So now destruct. So this is, so where's the, so what am I doing? So this is initialize, now on construct. All right, let's just try to put a breakpoint here. Press J, K. Okay. So it's still null. So get preview actors failing. And that's what. Is that at the bottom? Okay. Okay, do I have to do find? What's the name of it? Level manager. So get preview manager. So it is that one, and that returns that one. But this only becomes valid after it loads. So what needs to happen? It needs to happen after loading the preview level. Methinks. Let's see. Moment of truth. Okay, so still no. So it's still null, which is upsetting. Okay. The load preload level. Okay. And then on load, it finds the preview character. Maybe I need to have some sort of like delegate. Because it loads the preview level. And then it takes some time. before it's actually loaded. So I think a delegate is required. Okay. Got some ideas cooking. I just don't know how to write a delegate in C++. Create void delegate. I don't need any parameters in this delegate. So declaring delegates. So it's gonna be a void function. Excuse me. I don't know how well you guys can see that screen. Let me just look on my stream to see what it looks like for you guys. It's kind of delayed. Excuse me. Yeah, that's not very readable for you guys. Oh well. So in my manager.h, I have to do a declare delegate. So is there examples? I'll look at the examples here. Binding delegates, executing example usage, blah, blah, blah. Okay. Declare delegate. And then what's the syntax for these names? So F level loaded. I guess I could do another one. Declare delegate F level unloaded. Nice. Okay. I guess I should also put the word delegate at the end. Okay. Now put them at the top, I guess. So F level loaded delegate. Level loaded delegate. F level unloaded. Level unloaded delegate. Okay. Now, does it have to be view delegate? I don't know. I'm kind of shooting in the dark here. All right, there is a tutorial. So blah blah blah. Okay, so it's just a broadcasting thing. Okay. So let's do this over. So view property blueprint assignable F loaded delegate level loaded delegate. Now we could do the same thing for unloading. All right. Now I send the event like this. So I guess in level manager, I could do level loaded delegate dot broadcast. Okay. Why? Not cool. I don't know. It's not letting me send. So UE4 C++. Cannot broadcast the delegate. I will use this space because it's easy to add code, but actually I push for you. Alright, what is this guy saying? Okay. Well, this doesn't make any sense to me either. So the delegate, hello to delegate. Do I have to declare the dynamic? Multicast delegate? Okay, that was the problem, I guess. Okay. So, okay. So now in the character preview UI, I have to do, let's do a function, I guess. Let's make it private. Void get character preview actor. Okay. So now on construct, we could do level manager dot level loaded delegate dot add dynamic this at view hero character preview, get preview actor. Like that. Load preview level, and then should call that. I guess maybe I can actually have it return one param. So declare dynamic multicast one param f. How do the multiple ones go? So f string. So it's going to be what? Class level manager. What's wrong? Yeah. Then we'll do this again. Do it like that, so it will return that. And then this. Level unloaded delegate, this. And then in the character preview UI, it's got to take a class U. What is this? Preview level manager. Level manager. Okay. Let's put a UE log. Yeah. The function. Okay, get character preview actor callback. Okay, that was kind of a lot. That was kind of a mess. I don't know if any of that was followable, but let's see if we actually accomplished anything. And then we'll do the whole fingers crossed maneuver. Well, the fact that it compiled the first try, that's nice. And again, this is all just to get the character preview actor. Alright, so again, apologize, the frame rate's gonna drop on the stream. Let's just see if it works. Play. J. Alright. If something fucked up. Alright, so that failed. So it has to be a U function. Just double check that. Character preview UI. Okay, it's not. So that might be the first problem. Let's try that again. Oh, you messaged me? My bad. I'm not paying attention to Discord. Okay, well, logic, boom, accepted. Yeah, no problem, man. I'm not gonna read your message out loud, but yeah, I'll be more than happy to help. Ask any questions you want on stream. You know, I'm not perfect, obviously, but maybe we can learn from each other. So J. All right, so it didn't crash, and we're able to move everything. Yes. So all that stuff worked. And again, stream quality is going to shit, so you guys can't really tell what's going on, so I'm sorry. But we're just able to move our character around and zoom in, reset, all that good stuff. So that works. And I guess we should also set up our other delegate. So level manager, level unloaded delegate dot add dynamic. This, and I guess we have to add a new function. I guess we could just, like, do we actually have to do we have to do the other function? Maybe not. But we should probably unbind. Maybe maybe you can stream at 720p. Maybe. I'll have to try next time. Let me check something with C++. Unbinding delegates. I want to unbind. My thumb. Oh. Alright, there's remove dynamic. So I guess on native destruct, we could do something like this, but it's remove dynamic. And let's just see if that works. And then I think we're okay. We now have a level manager kind of thing. So we're not really depending on every fucking logic to happen in the UI. It's all happening in this manager, where it loads and unloads, gives us callbacks, all that good stuff. So that's nice. We'll have to comment next time. So let's just make sure we can load it, move around, unload it, load again, move around. We might have to adjust the sensitivity, but whatever, we're good. There is the character preview data. So movement sensitivity, we could just make this like 2. So you can move around a little faster. That feels actually nicer. And then you can reset it. All good. You can turn him around. You look at his butt. Look at the butt. Look at those cheeks. Alright. So that's all well and good. Let's look at our to-do list. So move level preview loading to new manager class. We kind of did. We'll have to just do form cleanup on level preview level manager class. Free task. Boom. So yeah, we did good so far. So we still have a lot to worry about. How long is the stream usually? It usually goes around 2 hours, so I'm just about to wrap up. I try to do 2 hours Tuesdays and Thursdays. Sometimes I miss some days because some other scheduling issues. Sometimes I don't work on the project, but instead do something else related to Unreal Engine 4. And then on the weekends, depending on how social I am, I will stream there as well. So my schedule is kind of shitty, but I try to schedule every day. So usually Monday and Wednesdays I play games with my buddy back home. We play some games together. Tuesdays, Thursdays I try to do Unreal stuff, and then on the weekends I try to do something with like maybe learning Python or doing stuff randomly related to game dev. So that's where it stands currently. So we still have a lot to do. There's a lot of stuff I want to do with animations and the actual character abilities and stuff like that. I kind of got sidetracked by this character preview thing, but it was kind of interesting. Kind of learn about level unloading and things like that. So we'll kind of drop this subject for a little while after we do the cleanup, and we'll start kind of working more on animations again and the abilities and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and submit everything that we need to Perforce. So source, UI stuff. Okay. Yeah, player character, check it out. Character preview actor. All good. So we have this thing for manager, right? Yeah, managers. Okay, weather system, we changed something there. Okay. Weapons, obviously nothing. Gameplay effect? No. Gameplay ability. Game mode for sure, yeah. I think that's it. So we go ahead and submit. Refactored. Loading, unloading, character preview level via new level manager instead of inside of UI. Good enough. And then we can also upload this. Let's see. Preview level refactor. Yeah, we can commit that to GitHub. So again, if you want access to the code, you can subscribe on Patreon. You can get access. Of course, I always hate charging people money for stuff like that. So if there is just a general question or a general block of code you want to kind of go over together, I can do that on stream. It's fine. And also, these streams do get uploaded to my YouTube channel. Usually the next day, so they're not lost, so you can always watch them on my YouTube channel, so you could subscribe there. I think it's The Life of Jevons. I think, let me just type in the YouTube thing and you'll get it. Yeah, so you can get access to that there. So yeah, that's about it. I think next time, I want to answer more Answer Hub questions. Because I want to try to be #1 on the karma earners, and I haven't been doing a good job this week, so we got to improve on that. So we might do that on Thursday, and so maybe we'll just clean up the code a little bit, comment everything, and then kind of answer Hub questions. Another question: do you have that recommended reading list post somewhere, or do I have to sit here for the ticker to go around? Yeah, I can. I can paste all the readings here for you in a second. I just gotta remember where they are. Yeah, recommended reading. This might look kind of sloppy. Okay, it exceeds the 500 character limit. So what would be the best way to give this to you? I don't know. I'll message you on Discord. I'll give you the information on Discord. Maybe there won't be a character limit there, and I can just easily copy and paste it there for you. So just look out for a message there. Let's go ahead and raid. We'll go to Pocket Watch. They're doing some game dev stuff. So we'll go pay them a visit, say hi, I guess. So thanks again for watching. Thanks for the follow techniques. Thanks for hanging out. Sandra, thanks for hanging out as well. And have a good night, and see you soon.